Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The ROC's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The Bitcoin dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The gold dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. According to the Ultimate Oscillator, we are in an oversold market. The oil dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.2%. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Gold trended downward during a week of release of US CPI and PPI, which showed that inflation pressures persisted. The precious metal prices lack clear direction as market participants remain divided on whether the Fed's terminal rate has indeed been reached or if more rate hikes remain. From August the 14th to August the 18th, about 8.05 billion shares will become tradable on the Shanghai and Shenzhen bourses. Under China's stock market rules, major shareholders must wait 1 to 2 years before they are permitted to sell their shares. Global money market funds attracted robust inflows in the week to August the 9th, reflecting investor caution ahead of US inflation readings. And as Chinese economic data remained weak, investors plowed $73.17 billion into money market funds in their biggest weekly net purchase since March 22.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US 3-month bill auction will be released at 15:30 GMT. The US 6-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT. Finland's Consumer Price Index at 0500 hours GMT. Germany's Wholesale Price Index will be released at 0600 hours GMT. Japan's Gross Domestic Product at 2350 GMT. Japan's Gross Domestic Product annualized at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.